Are you a student who is only using ChatGPT to write essays? Then you are missing out. This AI can easily be your tutor, planner, research buddy, or even your personal hype coach. In this video, I'm sharing 10 seriously useful ChatGPT prompts that will help you study smarter, save time, and maybe even make learning a little fun.
Prompt 1. Smart Research Assistant.
Let's start with an advanced one. Ask ChatGPT, find and summarize the 3 most recent academic sources about quantum computing. Include key findings, author names, URL, and publish date.
Prompt 2. Summarize lecture notes.
Got messy lecture notes? Let ChatGPT clean them up. Write the prompt as summarize this lecture note into bullet points with the 5 most important ideas. You will get a clean, easy to review version in seconds with uploading the lecture note.
Prompt 3. Essay Outline Assistant.
Writing an essay? Don't start from a blank page. Instead, ask, create an essay outline on the role of AI in sales and marketing with introduction, body, and conclusion. It gives you a full structure, so you just have to fill in your arguments.
Prompt 4. Explain like I'm 10.
Struggling with complex topics? Try this. You can get 2 levels of explanations by asking ChatGPT to explain for a 10-year-old and a university student. You will get a sample version and a detailed one. Perfect for truly understanding a subject, not just memorizing it.
Prompt 5. Flashcard Creator.
Turn boring notes into fun flashcards. Ask, turn these psychology notes into flashcards with a question and answer format. Then copy them into a flashcard maker and you will get your revision tool ready.
Prompt 6. Quiz generator.
Need to test your knowledge? Ask ChatGPT, create a 10-question quiz on the French Revolution with answers. Now you can challenge yourself or your friends before the exams.
Prompt 7. Presentation script writer.
Public speaking made easy. You can ask ChatGPT to write a speech about anything you need with the specified duration. This is perfect for class presentations or debates.
Prompt 8. Assignment proofreader.
Before submitting your assignment, run a proofread. You will learn from your mistakes while improving your writing.
Prompt 9. Time management coach.
Balancing classes, work, and gym. Let AI plan your week. You can ask for a weekly schedule with giving the list of activities. It will create a balanced plan that actually fits real life.
Prompt 10. Motivational study coach.
When you feel burnout, ask motivational messages to get inspired. We have covered the 10 ways that can totally transform how you study. From research to revision, this AI will make you smarter. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which prompt are you going to try first?